Little one, in this video you will learn what exactly is a website.
A website, according to the Le Robert Dictionary, is defined as a set of interconnected web pages that you can access on the internet.
So like a magical novel you can open on a computer or a phone?
Exactly. And inside, you can share information, images, videos, and so much more with people all around the world. A website has two main parts, the front end and the back end.
Wow, sounds fancy. What do those mean?
The front end. This is the visible part of the website, the part visitors see and interact with. It's a bit like designing a poster for your room. This is where you choose the colors, images, and write the text that visitors will see. It's everything you see and interact with on a website.
Or like on YouTube, I see videos, buttons, comments, and all the colors. And I can click and interact with the videos, the buttons, and even the comments.
That's right. To build the front end, we use languages like HTML to organize content, CSS to make things look nice, and JavaScript to make the page interactive.
Got it. So what's the backend then?
This is the hidden part, the one that works behind the scenes. It's like being the conductor of an orchestra. You decide which music should be played and when, but no one sees you on stage.
Oh, so like a secret boss?
Exactly. For example, when you watch a video on YouTube and new videos pop up as recommendations, that's the backend doing its job, figuring out what you might like.
That's so smart. Does it use magic?
Not magic, but some clever tools. Two important ones are the API and the database.
Wait, what is an API? Is that a type of data?
Not quite. An API is like a messenger. Imagine you type how to code into the YouTube search bar. The API takes your request, goes to the server, finds the right videos in a huge vault, the database, and brings them back to show you.
So it's like a super fast delivery person?
Exactly. And the database is where all the important stuff is stored. Videos, your account info, your watch history. It's like a giant notebook that never forgets.
Okay, cool. So once the site is ready, what happens?
Then we put it online so everyone can use it. That's called deployment. It's like hanging your poster on the door so your friends can see it.
This is starting to make sense. There's a lot to learn, but it sounds fun.
It is fun. And don't worry, we'll go step by step. Soon you'll build your own site and be super proud of it.
In the next video, we will begin learning HTML, but first you need to install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.